Alright, I'm going to go over a quick tutorial over the Lajust system. The Lajust system is made up of a few components. You have the laptop on the table, and then you have the controller box. You have the box that connects all the corner judges controllers, and you have the extended monitor which displays the score to the ref and to the people watching. Well, to start this up, you go to Lajust, okay, and on the spectator screen you will see the scoreboard. To set up your match, just click OK here. Okay, to set up your first match, you click on this icon right here, which is the second icon here, brings you to the setup screen. You must enter the court number, which is the ring number that you're at. Let's just say 1 for example, and then click set. For a match number, set it to automatic, and then enter a match number. Just start it at 1. Then we will go to rule setting. Rule settings. Okay, using EIDSS EBP, that's for the electronic Hogus. We are not using that, so it will be set to non-use. Sudden death points, we do not keep the round points. Winner by point, we will leave that blank, but there is a winner by point difference, which is 12. This you don't have to worry about, disregard. And then the match times, depending on what the rules are, some will be 60 seconds, some will be 2 minutes, depending on the type of match it will be. Find out from your center ref. In this case, we will make it 60-second rounds with a break time of 15 seconds and a keshi time of 60 seconds. Hit point setting, 3 points for head, 1 for body. Technical points will be added on manually. Referee setting is always 3 judges and 1 ref. That's 3 corner judges, which is the ones pressing the points from the controllers. And then you have the center ref that will be calling the match. Sensing glove and socks settings are non-use. Since we're not using electronic, we're just using this for scorekeeping. Round settings, usually for color belts is two rounds each. Black belts are usually 3. So we'll keep it at 2. Congo settings. 2 Congos equals 1 point. Max Congos right now it's set to 8. Even though the rules state that it's 10, we will have to do a reset of the match should the Congos go over 8. This is due to a limitation on the software, which we have no control over. So once you're done with making the settings, you just click on save, and then you go to this icon right here to bring up the main screen, and then you will go to your controller box. So I will set this up with the spectator screen and the control box. The control box, you should know your terminologies. Congos is when the center ref tells you Congo, which is you add a Congo penalty point to blue, or Hong Congo, you add a penalty point to red. Most importantly, Shijat is to start the match. This is the main buttons you use to start the match, and the clocking, which is timeout. When the ref yells keshi, you click on keshi. Flip jump is when the center ref tells you to add a penalty point to whoever. If they say Hong Gamjang, you add a penalty point for blue, they will get an extra point because it's a penalty on red. Or if they say 총 감장, then it's a extra point for red. So when you're looking at paying attention to the center ref and he tells you to start the match, you press 시작 right here, and then the time will start going. And then when the ref tells you to 캐시, you hit this button here, timeout. You see the clock running, and you can only make score changes when you're in 캐시, which is the timeout. Just say that he wants to do a Congo on blue. So he'll say 총 Congo. You press Congo, add. You see that right there, it just added a Congo there. You add one more, for example, 2 Congos will equal 1 point for the opposing player. And then when the ref is ready to start the match, you just press 시작, and then the time continues. We'll just let the time run out at this time, and then I'll show you who will be the winner. As time is running out for the round, you should signal the center ref that time is running. And once it goes into break, it's a 15-second break in between. And once that runs out, then just keep your eye on the center ref, and he will let you know when to start the match. So then you will hit 시작 again, and that will start the next round. And round 2, the time will be going on the screen. Over on the computer screen, this will be what you will be seeing on the screen compared to the spectator screen. As time runs out and just for the match, it will prompt you to let you know who the winner is. It says to please check the score and press who is the winner. So on here, blue, in this case, blue is the winner. You press blue. And then, which is 총. The screen, yes. Start new. Do you want to start a new match? You just click on yes, and that should go to the next match. And that indicates that blue was the winner. Once the match is done, it'll bring you back to the main screen, and then it will automatically set to the next match. Now you press this icon here to go to the next match, and then the spectator screen will not reset until the match starts. In this case, I'll hit 시작 here, and the screen reset to 00, and the time is running. This is a normal scene, and it's basically a limitation on the hardware, on the software itself, which we have no control over. Troubleshooting the system. You may also see this issue, which you see the spectator screen just shown the Lajust screen, and you get the next match screen, which is at 00. When this happens, all you have to do is just click on this icon here once, and then it will reset to show the screen, the spectator screen, without the Lajust logo, and then you can just start the match. This is a common issue, which is from a limitation on the software. Most importantly, when you're running the ring and running the systems, keep your eye on the center ref and also listen and see what he has to tell you. He will be controlling the match, and just follow his directions. And then that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple.